So hey guys, welcome to Entertainment 104. It might be hard to hear me because we are in my garage right now. My dad and my dog are here. And we are just tracking well, not tracking it, but watching the storm. It's been lots of lightning. It's kind of scary, but the fact that we don't see a tornado right now makes us a little less scared. And that I have Obby and the fidget spinner mug from the gods.
There's some lightning there.
Yep, so we see a lot of lightning. Basically, we're just showing you guys what we see. Now the storm is starting to die down. You can kind of see it, like the stuff on the ground, how hard the rain is hitting. It's kind of dying down. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Obby, you wanna go out? You wanna go out? Go! She's getting wet. Come here! What's up, babe? What's up, babe? Oh, God. So yeah, I love storms. That's why I'm out here in the garage. I just like to watch the storm. If you guys seen that, it was super cool. Kind of lit up the sky. If you guys didn't see that, I'm talking about lightning. You can rewind it and watch it. Ooh, did you see that? I might not have got it. That was super cool. Did you know after... Ooh. That must have been a big lightning strike. Did you guys know that after each lightning strike, if you start counting the Mississippis, like lightning strike 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, and then when you hear the thunder, you stop counting, and however many Mississippis you got to, that's how many miles away the thunder is, or the lightning was. Sorry, you got those mixed up? I heard that from a 4th grade teacher at my school, so if it's wrong, don't judge me. I think Abby's enjoying it. Or not. She looks kind of scared. So yeah. Well guys, I'm afraid I have to go now. Well, I just want to watch it. So you guys, I don't want to make this a super long video, so I'm going to end it, and bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, like, and, well, those are the same things. Subscribe, turn the notifications on, and keep watching. Bye!